2024. At least 81 drone strikes on Russian oil facilities. A BBC analysis revealed that 31 of these attacks targeted refineries, many requiring extensive repairs. 64 strikes resulted in large-scale fires. Southern Russia hit hardest. 20% of strikes in Krasnodar. Other affected regions: Rostov, Belgorod, Ural, Volgograd. Clear message: no distance is safe from retaliation. Ukraine disrupts Russian military logistics. Drone strikes are reshaping the battlefield. January 2025. Ukraine intensifies drone strikes. Targets include oil depots and military logistics hubs. Let's explore Ukraine's recent drone strikes in Russia, uncover the impact and shape the war's future. Ukrainian drones strike an Ural region target, Steel Horse oil facility, 170 kilometers from Ukraine's border. A key hub supplying fuel to Russian armed forces, the attack ignited a massive fire. Emergency services struggled for hours to contain it. Significant damage reported, no casualties confirmed. Ukrainian drones strike Novoshakhtinsk oil refinery in Rostov region. Witnesses report loud explosions and massive flames, thick black smoke visible for miles. The refinery is crucial for fuel processing and transport. Russian officials confirm the attack, but provide no details. Fire spreads rapidly, overwhelming emergency services. Ukrainian drones strike Steel Horse again. Second attack in a month targets Ural oil facility. Fire further cripples operations at the depot facility, connected to the Druzhba pipeline network. Key artery for transporting Russian oil. Disrupted repair efforts from the December 14th attack were still ongoing. Ukrainian Magura V-5 naval drone strikes in Crimea. R-73 missile destroys Russian Mi-8 helicopter near Cape Tarkankit. First ever use of a naval drone against a manned helicopter. A symbolic blow to Russian air operations in occupied Crimea. Ukrainian drones strike the Crystal Fuel Depot in Engels Key, supplier of aviation fuel to the Engels 2 airbase. Engels 2 hosts Russia's strategic bomber fleet attack, destroys 800,000 tons of aviation fuel, severely impacts the base's operational capabilities. One of the most significant strikes on Russian fuel infrastructure. Ukrainian drones and Neptune missiles hit ammunition depot in Chaltyr, Rostov region. Simultaneous drone strikes ignite a massive fire in Gachina, Leningrad region. Fire spreads across 1,900 square meters. Large-scale Ukrainian drone attack targets Kazan, Saratov, Engels, Bryansk, and Tula key infrastructure, including oil refineries. Hit residents report successive explosions and widespread fires. Attacks disrupt fuel supplies and weaken logistics. Ukrainian drones strike Lysky oil depot in Voronezh region. Significant damage reported at critical fuel facility. S-400 radar equipment destroyed in Belgorod region A. Blow to Russia's advanced air defense capabilities. Ukrainian drones strike oil depot in Lyudinovo, Kaluga region facility, critical to Russian military logistics, severely damaged. Ukrainian drones strike fuel depot in Tula depot, housed 58 fuel tanks. Precision strike ignites massive fire visible for kilometers. Ukraine launches bold operation with 121 drones. Targets hit across 13 Russian regions, including Moscow, Ryazan oil refinery, key component of Russia's fuel network. Kremny EL microchip plant in Bryansk also struck. Plant produces components for Russian military systems. Ukraine disrupts Russia's military logistics, oil infrastructure targeted, cutting critical revenue. As a result, Kremlin faces increasing pressure. Ukraine's deep strike capabilities change the war. Join the conversation.